If you're experiencing login errors on Bank of America's website or app, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or errors, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password or suspect it may be incorrect, use the forgot password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache or app data. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. If you are using the mobile app, try clearing the app data or reinstalling the app to eliminate any corrupted data. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, disable it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the login process, so try logging in without them. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bank of America's customer support for assistance. They can help you identify the issue and guide you through the resolution process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors you encounter. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.